Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. Today's video, pardon the wind, is on how to use the cruise control in your 2021 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an X-Line 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in Aruba stone green. Let's get started. Okay, now that we're out of the wind, I just wanted to go through and show you guys what the new cruise control system is like on the Sorento. So, for anybody who's familiar with our Kia vehicles, you'll notice that the cruise control area, the buttons are a little different now. So all you need to do to start us off, while you're moving, and I'm going to show a picture down in the corner while I'm explaining this just to give you a visual, but we have where cruise used to be is now your mode button. And you'll notice there's also no set button. So while you're driving, while you're going the speed that you want to set your cruise to, you just go ahead and press that button, and then it's going to pop up at the top of the instrument panel there and let you know exactly what speed you're going, and will set the speed for you. So now one button does turning the cruise on and setting your speed for you. While the speed is set, you can still bump it up or down a couple kilometers an hour, and you can use this button to pause or temporarily disable the cruise until you press it again to bring it back up to the speed you originally set. Now, when we go ahead and press that button and hold it, what that's going to do is then set a speed limiter. And again, I'll have a picture down in the corner to show you what that means. It will pop up at the top and say limit, and now the car will only go up to the speed that you have it set to. It will not go any faster. Now, it is not the cruise speed. You still have your foot on the accelerator, but the vehicle will generally only go up to whatever speed you set it to. Okay? So if you needed to put your foot down and get the extra power, you can put your foot down and it will take you above and beyond the limit you set it to. But at the same time, it will also beep to let you know now you've gone over that limit. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Please go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.